Hi guys, welcome to the Active channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can cite a YouTube channel in MLA style. So in this case, open your YouTube first, then go to any, not here, but choose any videos like you want. Like this one, or like this one. I'm choosing this channel. You can see that the video name, you have to copy this video name or video caption. Open MS Word or any notepad. Now just go blank and paste it. If you think this is black, what you're going to do is you have to then write on hand or type it. Okay, like you can write here anything. Animal lover song. Let's say this is the video caption. Okay, now what you're gonna do is you have to inverted comma, go here, you can remove this thing, or just like this, then just write here inverted comma, this one inverted comma 2. Now write here YouTube comma uploaded by the channel name T series. So you have to go here and write T series. Okay, that's it. So guys, this is how you can do it. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.